Now let's move on to the next technique or next type of frequency hopping spread spectrum signals, that is fast frequency hopping. So previously we have seen that in fast frequency hopping we will be transmitting a single symbol in different or in multiple hops. That means here the hop rate will be greater than the symbol rate. Let us understand this by an example. Here suppose the example which we took for slow frequency hopping, that same example has been taken. Here the symbol which we are going to transmit is 0 1. That means this symbol 0 1 is going to transmit in multiple frequency hops. So corresponding to the symbol 0 1, the frequency or the tone which the M array FSK modulator is going to select is F2. This is already seen that for 0 0 it was selecting F1, for 0 1 F2, for 1 0 F3, and for 1 1 it was selecting F4. Because we are transmitting 0 1 here, the tone which the MFSK modulator will select will be F2. Now see, because this symbol is going to be transmitted in multiple hops, that means that the output from the frequency synthesizer, which is the frequency hops, is going to be different. Like in the previous case for slow frequency hopping, the output of the frequency synthesizer which we represented by FH was constant, but here FH is going to change. Why? Because here multiple hops are being selected. Like if the output of the PN code, suppose for the symbol 0 1, the output of the PN code generator is 0 0 1 and at any instant of the time, and 1 1 0. So for 0 0 1, the frequency which will be selected from the synthesizer will be FH1, and for the PN sequence 1 1 0, the frequency which will be selected from the synthesizer will be FH6. But because the symbol is same, that means the MFSK modulator frequency F2 will be constant here. That means for transmitting the symbol 0 1, the transmitted frequencies will be, again we will only transmit the sum of the frequency signals, and we will be rejecting the difference of the frequency signals. In the block diagram of the modulator we have already seen this thing. So by selecting only the sum of the frequency signals, the transmitted frequency will be F2 plus FH1 and F2 plus FH6. Here F2 is constant, which is representing that the symbol is single or 1, which is what? 0 1, and FH1 and FH6, these two values are representing that the single symbol is being transmitted in 2 hops. Now let us understand this better by a waveform. Here see, we are transmitting 0 1. So for 0 1, the PN sequence which was selected was 0 0 1 and 1 1 0. 0 0 1 के लिए हमारी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी सिंथेसाइजर से फ्रीक्वेंसी सेलेक्ट हुई थी वो FH1 थी, और 1 1 0 के लिए जो फ्रीक्वेंसी सेलेक्ट हुई थी फ्रीक्वेंसी सिंथेसाइजर से वो FH6 थी. यानी FH1 प्लस FH2, नीचे देखिए FH1 प्लस FH2 फ्रीक्वेंसी थी, और फिर नेक्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारी क्या हुई? FH6 प्लस F2 हो गई. यानी यहाँ पर पिछले स्लो फ्रीक्वेंसी में जब हमने वेव फॉर्म बनाया था तो हमने देखा था, हमने सिर्फ वाई एक्सिस पे FH को रिप्रेजेंट किया था, बाकी FH1, FH2, FH3, FH4, FH5, 6 एंड 7 रिप्रेजेंट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्योंकि मल्टीपल हॉप्स हो रहे हैं, सो वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट all the frequencies of the frequency synthesizer on the y axis. Now see, अब हमारा FH1 के बाद FH2 आता, फिर FH3 आता, फिर FH4 आता, फिर FH5 and then FH6. But because we are using only two frequencies which are FH1 and FH6, तो यहाँ पर हमने बस वेव फॉर्म में उन्हीं दोनों फ्रीक्वेंसीज़ को जो कि फ्रीक्वेंसी सिंथेसाइजर से सेलेक्ट की गई थी दिखाया गया है. अब FH1 के लिए वी विल बी एडिंग F1 ऑल्सो, F2 ऑल्सो, F3 ऑल्सो, F4 ऑल्सो. इसी तरह FH6 के लिए वी विल बी एडिंग F1 ऑल्सो, F2 ऑल्सो, F3 ऑल्सो एंड F4 ऑल्सो. क्यों? क्योंकि सिंबल 0 1 हमारा ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है, ये तो हमको पता है. मान लीजिए सिंबल हमारा 0 0 ट्रांसमिट होता तो उसके लिए फिर हम कौन सी फ्रीक्वेंसी ऐड कराते हैं FH1 में? वहाँ पे फिर हम FH1 + 1 ऐड करा देते। तो लेकिन यहाँ पर बिकॉज हमने सेलेक्ट कर लिया है कि सिंबल हमारा 0 1 है, वी आर नोइंग दैट हमारी ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रीक्वेंसी विल बी FH1 + FH2 एंड द नेक्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी विल बी FH6 + F2. तो दैट इज seen in this graph. Now see, 0 1 is one symbol and is being transmitted in 2 hops. The 2 hops were selected by the PN sequence of 3 bits which were 001 and 110. So here it is clear that the hop rate is greater than the symbol rate. By this waveforms we can easily say, by examining this waveform, that here the hop rate is greater than the symbol rate. And see here that 2 frequency hops corresponding to one symbol, how fastly the hopping is taking place. See the graph and compare it with the graph of slow frequency hopping, and you will be able to see that how fastly the frequency is changing. So this was fast frequency hopping spread spectrum technique.